Alrighty, Lions, talk to me. How we doing? Boy, how juicy. Previously on Kimba TV. So, and then obviously this is a line that we've had for now 3 weeks. I think this is the third week that we had this line. How crazy is it that it's reacting like that? Ladies and gentlemen, we are not trading positions. We are managing risk. All right? Make sure you don't take a Kung Fu karate chop to the face, ladies and gentlemen. Don't take a Hadouken to the balls, ladies and gentlemen. Wahoo juicing. Talk to me. All right, markets. I'm juicing. Markets are getting Bugatti. 53.80, 53.60, 53.20. Lions math. Schwiggity. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Bugama. Pixel. The math is the math, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all ready? Let's go. Deikiku, Chalub, any questions? Once again, we are leaving off exactly where we left off yesterday. Pretty cool. Lions, any questions? You guys Gucci Magooch? Everybody see it? These are the same levels that we've had for a couple of weeks now, yes? So identify the level. Yesterday we talked about the sweep of that. Unfortunately, you have bad and weak lows. So clearly sweeping that first would be better. So you have a long setup in front of you right now as long as it's swing fail patterns for you. Make sense? Everything that we talked about last night is in our face right now. Make sense? That's a level that we've identified for a very long time, 2 weeks. Last night we talked about it, swing fail pattern. Unfortunately, you made a bad low. On top of that, you got to consider, okay, did the derivatives sweep and grab the liquidity that it needed to? Swing fail, levels identified, easy money, Bugatti money. Let's go. Let's go. The juice is the juice. Talk to me, Lions. Y'all ready? Hey. Do what the math says. Point blank. Do what the math says. Oh, snap dizzle for shizzle, Lions. How are we doing? Happy Tuesday. Let's go, let's go. Santa, let's go. Hayne, let's go. Chris, what's going on? Before now, later says, is that the index? I don't know which one you're referring to. Chris, what's going on? Kamaji says, is one 30-minute candle is good for you, SFP? Well, one, that tells me that you haven't nerded out on SFP. So make sure you go to Google or YouTube and type swing failure pattern and you know what the book says, okay? I usually wait for 2 or 3, Kamaji. But make sure you nerd out, all right? Don't just ask random people on the internet and then like not try to learn yourself. Exclamation learn. Oh, easy money, Bugatti money. Get your ass down here, ho. Get your ass down there, ho. Light work, easy money, Lions. Talk to me. Easy. Oh, easy. Let's go. Juice. Ladies and gentlemen, the bad lows have been cleaned. Talk to me. Pixel, how do we do it? Light work. Lions, do you believe in the math? Easy. 90 seconds on the 1 hour candle close. Talk to me, Lions. I could do this all day. Let's go. Bugatti. Ladies and gentlemen, what y'all think about that little thangity thang thang? Do you, ladies and gentlemen, hold on a second. Ladies and gentlemen, what do I always say? How many times do I say it a day? I would say 20 times. Make sure that you have your levels identified, chat. How many of y'all were here last night when I showed all this? How many of y'all were here last night and the last couple days when we said we're all looking for that? How we doing? Okay, we identified the level. Make sure you guys can see the bad highs and bad lows. You guys can see the bad lows. Marked it out in the morning. If you're gonna want to take a long, you wait for them to get cleaned. Do you believe? As long as you weren't the dum-dum that got stopped out on a lower low, you're fine. I don't care if you got into the long. I don't care if you TP'd a short. Okay, the only way that you could have fucked this up is if you got stopped out on a lower low. All right, because that's what's supposed to happen. The bad lows are supposed to get cleaned. All right, see it? Easy money. Math. What do you guys think about these 30-minute candle closes on CME, yo? What y'all think about this? What y'all think about this?
Hey, Lois, it's pixel fucking.
It's pixel fucking. Okay.
Pixel fucking it is. Yes.
Easy. Pixel. We Gucci? Easy. All right, is everybody caught up on everything from yesterday? Trinkum says, shout out useless lines. Let's go. Ace, let's go. JTAC, let's go. Kamaji says, why is my CME not showing the same? Kamaji, it's because you haven't been here for a very long time. Alrighty. There's about 700 lions right now in here that are out working you, Kamaji. All right, Kamaji, you're in big trouble, Kamaji. All right, you got to go to settings and you got to adjust for contract change. So you've been looking at CME the whole time wrong. Come on, big boy. Adjust, adjust. JTAC, you good? Ace, you good? Ladies and gentlemen, can we keep vibing? So, Rittree, if you were here for Saturday, did you know that these are the levels that we've had for, did you know that these are the levels that we've had for about 2 weeks now? Okay. Yesterday, the day before that, the day before that, we talked about this level. We talked about that level. Did you know that a lot of lions are in a short from here? Imagine missing out on that. Alrighty. We watched this level get nuked on yesterday. So it's level to level, right? So last night we said, all right, I'll see you guys in the morning down here. All right. And then what do I say about 20 times a day, every single day? Make sure you have your levels identified to the upside, to the downside. Make sure you have your volume levels figured out. Make sure you have your TPO levels figured out. All right. Make sure you can see your bad lows. Okay. So what did we just do, Rittree? Rittree, what did I just do? So we have levels identified for the last 2 weeks, right? We're watching the reaction. Reaction looks good. Okay. You just made bad lows. Okay. So all I did was I marked out the bad low. Okay. If I'm going to take a long, I want the swing fail. I'm already in a long as you ask me, hey, are we looking for a long? This is all 3-4 days worth of planning, Rittree. It comes down to 30 seconds of execution, 3-4 days of planning, Rittree. Alrighty, so if you got into a long, awesome. If you missed it, not that big of a deal, but this is as easy as it gets, brother. All right, Rittree. 90% of the lions in here, I didn't even have to say anything in the morning, okay? I always say the same thing every single time, every single day. Make sure you have your levels identified to the upside. Make sure you have levels identified to the downside. This level has been identified for 2 weeks now. And if you were paying attention last night, yesterday's stream, I said, I'll see you guys down here. Alrighty, okay, this is the level of interest. So we're gonna watch the reaction here. Okay, it looks bullish. However, it's leaving bad lows. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the swing fail pattern of the bad lows. That's exactly what you got. All right, it doesn't get any easier than this. This is pretty much textbook 5th grade TA. Alrighty, let me know if you have any questions. And then once you break this, some people are gonna say, hey Kimba, which high does it need to break? Some people are gonna say, if it breaks that high, I'm gonna put my stop loss at break even. If it breaks that high, I'm gonna put my stop loss at break even. All right, that's it. That's by the book, 5th grade TA, okay? And again, this is everything that we talked about yesterday. So hopefully you got caught up on the stream last night, the plan last night. Shout outs to everybody that was there on the day that this box, these lines were identified and created, right? Shout outs to everybody that witnessed that pixel fuck, right? Shout outs to everybody that saw that pixel fuck, right? Shout outs to everybody that saw this pixel fuck this morning. And then shout outs to everybody that's witnessing this pixel fuck right now. Shout outs to everybody that saw me attempt the first long. Shout outs to everybody that not only heard me say it multiple times, but, you know, knew immediately right off the bat, hey, put your stop loss in profit. So you didn't even have to ask me if I got stopped out on my first long or not. Shout outs to you didn't even care what I was doing. You yourself knew that you had to put stop loss in profit and you did it. So you should be very proud about that. Shout outs if you planned ahead and you knew what the next thing that you were looking for. All right. Shout outs to everybody that was here in the beginning of the morning when we talked about 66.4. Shout outs to people that were here recently that saw me do the fibception. All righty. And overall, man, shout outs to all the lines just trying to juice the fuck up, learn and improve, and get a thang of this thangity thing, man. The swag is the swag. All right, how we doing, Lions? What do you, for those of you that were here since the very beginning of the day, right, and didn't miss anything, what do you think about all this? What do you think about all this shit? Identifying levels. Right? Preparation, patience, right? Because the first thing that we talked about in the morning was, hey, this level right here, this level right here. How many of y'all thought that I was crazy when this was coming down here, right? And I was like, come down here, bitch. Get down here, bitch. Right? But I have to play the data. So if it's gonna swing fail, I can't just turn a blind eye to that. Right? The math is the math. I'm going to let the data tell me what to do. Well, fuck. I mean, that's a swing fail. If it's a swing fail, it's going to hold. Right? So how many of y'all were here when I got filled live on that first long attempt? And really, honestly, more importantly, how many of y'all were here when I said like 4 or 5 times in a row, stop loss in profit, stop loss in profit, stop loss in profit. Don't make me play that song today. Right? So comes back, pa-bink, okay, that's okay. Walk away with 3K. I know that I want 66.4 because I'm prepared. Right? So that's what I mean by your subconscious is going to have a direct impact on how you're going to execute. It's always going to have a trickle down effect. If I really want the level down here, okay, and I'm waiting for down here, but I see the swing fail pattern and I get filled at 7.5 pico perfect, okay, but I see it rolling down, I'm never gonna let this turn red. And I'm thinking, my mouth is starting to water like, oh my God, I think I'm gonna actually get the motherfucking 66.4. Those were bad lows, right? Bank. Easy money, Bugatti money. Sounds good? Yeah. Pretty cool, right? I'm going to put this back on the 30-minute. 30-minute. I mean, even the fucking box, man. It's crazy. Can we see EXO, please? Sure. Maybe those are the shorts that you want to see, or I don't know. But you also have to take a bigger picture too. You've got some longs that still might need to get spanked. So think about Macaulay Culkin. Think about that level. Think about what you would do if you get stopped out on this. I'm already stop loss tiny profit again. So for me, I know what the next like 2 trades are. I don't think I'm going to take the third one. Yeah. Solek says, where are you from, Lion? Lithuania. Banana Man says, remove the box and it will go up. Well, you're going to want that box when it penetrates and you need to see where it needs to turn into support. You're going to ask me to put the box back when you're asking for it to turn into support. So it goes both ways, brother. But the thing is you gotta be objective, you know? So there's a reason why we have that box, right? And if it's gonna pixel fuck, then what's the next thing that we would tolerate? Right? So this is a better situation for your longs to get stopped out. It's hard being the guy that tries to take the long here only to get swept like that, right? It's a hard knock life for Sato. Should we play that? I think that's the perfect song, to be honest with you. Yeah. Well, stop loss and profit, ho. Come and get me then. Hey, but for real though, what do you think? Crown, drive, or just wait until 64 bad low sweep? Cryptogenics is 3 drives is the way. Yeah, Macaulay is gonna. Hey, stop the music for a second. So okay, so let's think about this, gents. It's in 8 minutes. It's gonna be 12:30 in New York. So 3.5 hours left. Because I want to be here for the whole market time. I don't want to go to the gym while S&P is doing shit. I don't want to go to the gym during Macaulay, so maybe after Macaulay, I'll go work out downstairs in the gym, the building gym. Could you illustrate the possibilities? Sir, there are infinite possibilities. I mean, if you're bullish, okay, first off, Vidur, you're not trying to predict the future, okay? You're managing risk, okay? So if you're bullish, you didn't swing fail. So you really don't want to lose that low, okay? So there's swing failure pattern. That's your most bearish structural edge or bullish structural edge. If it had done that, okay? Your second most reliable edge would be a failed auction. So that would mean that you know, like I said, you don't want to lose that low. You know, so whether you get a bounce off of this or bounce off of this, you really just want to, you know, get down here, neutral. If you can bounce off of 38205, even better. All right. But what you're trying to do as a bull is you need to get back inside this and turn it into support so you can rotate back up. All righty. Other than that, this could just be like a basic ass bearish retest, lose it and then lose. Okay, I don't really know about, a lot of people are going to be looking for like a 3 drives. Okay, so you're going to have to look at the divs and the open interest and see what's really happening. I think the divs are okay as long as you're squeezing out longs. But if every move down you have people opening shorts, then I think we should just wait until 64.5, 64.
He said,
okay.
What did he say? He just told us to be prepared.
All right, Viduart. Do you know what my positions are, Viduart? It's more about like letting my actions speak for themselves. I'm always going to try to be as objective and neutral as possible. But you know that I added another 75 on TapBit at Pico bottom. Testnet, don't even worry about it. MGK, thank you for the reach. Hey, MGK, can you hit me up with some thumbnails? I'm getting too old for this shit. Listen, the math is the math. How many of y'all are starting to believe in this? It's not about being right or wrong. It's not about trying to predict the future. You just plan this shit out, and you have to be objective, and you take the edge and manage your risk. What do you guys think about this? What a day, what a day. Yeah. I mean, look, sometimes you're going to have a shitty day, like a Monday. Sometimes you have a Gucci Magucci day. You know? So anyways, at this point, I'll probably put the stop loss at like the 0.5. So no matter what happens, you guys are going to get 60K. All right. I'm giving this away to you guys. All right. And it's going to be nice to test out the new AI, because it is going to go over the chat logs of exactly all of this. Love you guys. All right, I'm going to give this all away to you guys. But it's not about that. We saw this whole thing together. We talked about it. Oh, let me just buzz this person. All right. What do you guys just think about the planning aspect in general? What do you guys think about all this today? Happy Tuesday, Lions. Love you guys, man. Para tells us what a day, for sure. Yeah, I mean, holy fuck. It is what it is. At the end of the day, the position size is ridiculous. You know, it shouldn't have been this big, to be honest with you. That's really the only reason why the P&L is so big. But it really, realistically, it's only been like $1,000, $1,200 move. So nothing out of like the ordinary, you know? We did the best that we could with what we had. And we got 3 minutes left to see if we're going to hit 53.80 on S&P. I guess we're not going to get it. We just did the sweep, so maybe that's the end of it. But not too bad. It went up to 53.74. Not too bad. It would be funny if it did it like in the first first 15 minutes of market close, because there's still technically aftermarket trading going on. So it would be funny, market close, and then like 5 to 15 minutes after market close. A lot of people talking about Kachoi Shiba, if that happens. And we've seen that too. Aussie player, Crypto Komar, Elo Kokui, Rage in the house. Races, we got alpha for 3 trades in something like 1 hour. Yeah, and I wouldn't even really say it's alpha, you know. Rage, you know what's really, really cool? You and I, we're going to see this shit hundreds, if not thousands of times. And whether it's a loose click for you or it's really clicking, you know, it's going to just start to solidify stuff. So, all right, but it's a pleasure having you, Rage. All right, Rage. Maybe tonight or maybe this weekend you'll carry my ass on Helldivers, huh? Guys. Johnny, what's going on? JTAC, what's going on? Gucci Romo, what's going on? Tweaker, what's going on? Is the bot attack done? Yeah. They all got stopped out. They were all bottom shorters. Mozzie says the most important thing now is start planning tomorrow's CPI. Sure. Yep. Let me know if you have any questions, Mozzie. What we're going to do is 45 seconds now. markets will close, and then 60 minutes. Did you hear what I said earlier? I'm probably gonna run to the kitchen. I might take like a super quick little shit, but I'll be here with you guys for most of the time, and then we'll get ready for Macaulay. Let's just take it phase by phase, level by level. I am deathly scared of this 12-year-old child. All right. He's killed many of my colleagues with these deadly ass fucking swinging paint cans. If you know, you know. So, yeah, you gotta respect. Gotta respect. Amalise, thank you for the 24-month resub. Holy fuck. Guys. Paul says not everyone was a bot. Hey, Paul, let's go, Paul. Hey, if there were new folks that came in from that, let me know so I can sub you up, because I don't want y'all watching no ads. Grizz Sauce says, send me $1,000. I have a sick daughter from Poland. 1,000 testnet dollars is okay. I got you. Send me your testnet wallet. I got you. Take a sub as well. And if your sick daughter needs a sub, I got her too. Mog's in the house. Mogai in the house. Kyrius. What's going on, Kyrius? Let me get you subbed up. Let me get you subbed up. How we doing? How we doing? Nama Horse says, go, go. What's going on, Nama Horse? How we doing, Lions? All right, hey, ladies and gentlemen, market close. 2 claps. S&P market close. Holy shit, what a day, y'all. What a day. Zavwido exclamation giveaway. Yes, yes, make sure you do that. I'm going to give away, like, whatever this ends up being, at least like 65K, so make sure you're ready. Chibo Mate says, I'm new on here. Let me get you subbed up. All the new Lions, let me get you subbed up. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and welcome you guys in the real way. Bjorn, let me get you subbed up. Ghost of Matrix, I got you. Hold on, brother. Hold on, brother. Ghost of Matrix. Okay, markets are closed right now. Futures are gonna run for 1 more hour, and then it's gonna be Macaulay. I'm gonna go work out once I see like the first 5-10 minutes of CME resumption. I'll do a quick little chest workout, and then does anybody want to get some wings tonight with me? Mods, maybe while I'm gone, if you want to figure out a way to pick people. But let me, if you guys are down, if you have Uber Eats, this is Canada. Well, we can try international, but you need to have Uber Eats. But whether we do it today, maybe we don't have enough people today, but I'll buy some wings for us. Maybe we start getting ready for Friday. Aritodo is 1 person for Friday. But I'm going to get some wings. Santio, what's going on? Now I'm kind of thinking that maybe that wasn't such a bad bot attack. Did we really make it? I think we really did make it to the front page, which was pretty cool. Bosian, what's going on? Exclamation Blowfin. Make sure you guys are signed up. Exclamation Blowfin. All right, 0% maker fee. Exclamation Tools, exclamation Discord, exclamation YouTube, exclamation Twitter. All right. Tan says, nice dude, I come from Polish. Oh, did WTCN? Was that WTCN?
Let's get it. Kimber was popping.
Gandigun. Thank you for the kind words, Gandigun. We should probably bless the new Lions. Should we bless the new Lions, chat? All the new Lions that just came here from whatever that was, introduce yourself so I can get you subbed up, because I don't want you watching ads, especially this week. MCR Destroya, what's going on? MCR, is that like a Expanse reference? Shout outs to you, brother. We got Zepaja. What's going on, Zepaja? Ooh, you guys are coming at a great time. We have Macaulay Culkin in a little bit. Norbert says, cool stream. First time I'm here. Norbert, legend. Shout outs to you, Norbert. You're just as cool. Let's go, Norbs. Get nasty. Santia. Let's go. Who else? Who else? Z Deshley. I wish I knew. I need to start learning Polish, ladies and gentlemen. Nip, what's going on, Nip? Let me get everybody subbed up real quick. I don't want to miss anybody. In 55 minutes, we're gonna have what's called a Macaulay Culkin hour. The traditional market futures, S&P, Nasdaq, all the traditional shit, it's gonna be paused. Crypto is gonna be trading by itself. So once in a while, you get volatility. Everybody also knows that tomorrow is CPI, FOMC. It's going to be a very important day tomorrow. So shout outs to everybody that's joining us for that. Oh, yeah. Let's go, Lions. Talk to me. Talk to me. Matisse, what's going on, Matisse? Oh, shit. I accidentally. You can always type !rewind and you can see how we did this, how we did this, and how we did this. This was today. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Thursday and Friday, I want to give away a good chunk of the profit. So make sure you guys are signed up on Blowfin, all right? But what'd you guys think about last week's TA, like Monday through Friday? Pretty cool, right? Kind of math. What do you think about this daily swing fail candle close? What do you think about Kimba's uses lines? Now, let's talk about smaller time frame. Let's talk about smaller time. What do you guys think about, the TA Monday, yesterday, and then the TA today? What do you guys think about the last 48 hours? You know, S&P Blue Gammas have been pretty interesting. You know, and I think at the end of the day, I don't know how many times, you know, for me, it helps me. And I think that's why I harp on it so much. But I think when you have levels identified, you know, whether you do this, fuck. Whether you do that, fuck. Whether you do, Bugatti money. Dink, you know. Dink, you know. And there's a reason why I didn't delete this box. Even though we were doing this, I still didn't delete the box. And if you were here for how and why it stood for, obviously the first thing that you would look for a bullish reaction would be a swing fail. We didn't get it. So, how many of y'all were here when we were, I don't want to say anticipating, but lots of lessons to be had. Some people learned about this. Some people learned about stop loss and profit. Some people learned about Bugama. Yeah. Tomorrow is going to be a lot harder to trade. So everybody stay safe. Grizzly Cage. All right, let's do it. Last Latucci of the night. Robinacci, Gamer Girl. Yeah, I'll be even worse tomorrow. So, all right, y'all, stay safe. Farid, I see you, my boy. Nixo, Latucci, Aussie, Grizzly, Nixo, Indo Lion, Vishanti. I think I got it right. Jared, quit playing with me. Aritodo. You guys are the fucking best. Never, ever forget that. I had a great fucking time. I hope you guys did too. I hope you guys feel like you're a little bit of a better trader now than you were this morning. All right. Claytown, salute. I see you, Claytown. Grizzly Gamer Girl, that boy Houston, Nixo. All right, y'all. Patriots, feel good. Stay safe. You know, that's probably the most common phrase that I say. Stay safe. Yeah, between that and juice up. You guys are the best. All right, Exo on, you maybe do 15-minute, I think, for tonight. So I think the smaller moves, I think, are going to be a little bit more important. I want you guys to be able to see them. Let me get Sato's webcam up on this thangity thang. All righty, and we're going to enable this. All right, you know what it is, Lions. Longers, I'm rooting for you. Shorters, I'm rooting for you. Bulls, Bears, we're all Lions. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Have a great night. Stay safe. All right. Hey, market makers, do yo thing. Peace, everybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bugatti.
I said, are you strong? They said, I'm strong if you strong. And I said, we strong then.